Popular dancehall producer Shab charged with 3 murders by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. Popular dancehall producer Shab has been charged with murder in connection to a triple murder in Rose Heights, St. James last month. Shab's given name is Linval Thompson Jr. He was charged with 3 counts of murder by the Major Investigation Division after he was positively identified in an identification parade. He has also been charged with 2 counts of shooting with intent. Shab was questioned in the presence of his attorneys. He was arrested on June the 3rd by members of the anti-gang task force while traveling along the North-South Highway in St. Catherine. Shab was named as a person of interest in the murders of 27-year-old Chadwell Fraser, 24-year-old Shamara Calvin, and Tony and Reed. Reports are that on May 25th, the 3 men were among 5 people shot during a drive-by shooting on Merle Road in Rose Heights. All 5 people were reportedly shot at a birthday party. Head of the Air 1 Police Assistant Commissioner Clifford Chambers says that a spike in recent conflicts between the 2 gangs have driven a recent spike in murders in St. James. Sources indicate that the gang conflict is between the Unknown and J-City gang. Meanwhile, police sources have indicated that Shab was captured just hours before he was due to legally depart Jamaica. It's understood that arrangements were in place for the producer to flee to a small island before eventually making way to the United States. Sources indicate that several items, including forged documents, were seized when Shab was taken into custody. A court date for the producer is being finalized. Shab was recently acquitted of a charge of illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, and his co-accused, 22-year-old Romaria Scott, pleaded guilty to the charges and was sentenced to 6 years and 1 month in prison. Though at the time of this most recent arrest, Shab was on bail while awaiting trial for a corruption charge, reportedly attempting to bribe a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force in relation to the charge of illegal possession of firearm. Links007 TV will continue to track this story and provide it more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.